and below middle class families across the country, this alarming rise in exploitative practices by certain private corporate hospitals. Reports from patients, the civil society and consumer bodies point to a disturbing pattern, unnecessary diagnostic tests and unwanted prolonged hospital stays and with no clinical justifications, and the opaque billing practices that inflate treatment costs far beyond reasonable limits. So these practices hit hardest those who approach private corporate hospitals in emergency. The absence of transparent pricing and norms and effective regulatory oversight leaves them with little choice but to accept whatever they are charged, and pushing many of the families into hardships and into debts also. So recent examples in Hyderabad, the seriousness where some consumer commission ordered a private corporate hospital to compensate a patient with 3 lakhs for overcharging during the COVID-19 period. As reported by the Indian Express, this is not an isolated case. There are many such cases happening across the country. And similarly, a report by Hans India highlights that many private hospitals, they charge from 1,500 to 3,000 rupees for outpatient consultations, which doesn't cover under the government schemes like Ayushman Bharat and all these things. They are being now systematically exploited. Now, I urge this government, in recent light which have come to our notice, we must ensure transparent medical billing, standardization of procedures, protocols, and stronger regulatory safeguards that protect patient rights. The charges displayed in the various private corporate hospitals are different from the charges they collect at the time of this disposal. As our leader and Prime Minister Modi ji has put, as a nation first, hospitals should also display that patients should name boards, display boards. A healthier workforce is necessary if you want to achieve the Prime Minister's vision of making India a Vikasit Bharat and by 2047, because health is also an important sector. Unless until we are healthy, the society can also be healthy and the nation can be healthy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Srimati Sagarika Ghosh ji.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Migrant labour bills are a